everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you how to make fabric ties for your mask. I like the fabric ties better than elastic because elastic behind your ears can get a little sensitive after a while. And these are nice because they just tie right on and they wash very well because they're finished. So you will need some woven fabric, and if it's woven you can tear it very easy rather than cutting it, and it's kind of fun to do. So cut a piece that's 1.5 inches wide and just start ripping. And the nice thing is it's the same size from start to finish. See how that is? Now I'm going to show you how to finish it off, and if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. I post new videos every week if you want to subscribe and see more. So let's get started.